Hey everyone, it's Jen, JENXOPLANS, and today I'm going to show you how I make really simple dividers. I have an A6 planner, so I'm going to cut some papers down to size for my A6 rings. And this October Planner Society kit actually has a new piece in it, which are these glitter stickers. And I'm going to show you how I made dividers with those. So I'm just cutting down the papers, and I only had two laminating pouches in my stash, so I'm going to make it work. I'm going to fit them. I'm trying to figure out how I can squeeze as many as I can as possible in this laminating pouch. And so I actually already have side loading dividers. So I'm going to use the scalloped border and run that along the sides like that. And then it also comes with these bows. So the bows can be used as a um, like a tab. So I'm going to use those as my top tabs. And then I'm going to place the scalloped borders on the edge there. I'm going to cut that down. And then, yeah, I'm going to put the top tab on top. So it's really easy. If you want, you could do the clear laminating dividers. I was going to show you how to do that. But all you do is just basically um, stick it onto the laminating pouch and then cut it down to your size. So that's how you could do a clear divider. But I'm using paper because I love this paper and it goes so well with my setup. So, and then I'm just going to line that up there so that my bow tab lines perfectly with the first tab. So that's my middle one. And then my second sheet, I'm going to use this vellum. Sorry, my camera got out of focus for a second, but it'll come back in focus soon. And then I am going to also use the sequins that came in the kit, and I'm going to make a shaker dashboard. You'll see how I do that. So I only have two laminating pouches, and I can fit two dashboards per pouch for my A6 rings. So I'm going to grab a bow and do another top tab, and I'm going to line it up so that it's on the right, so it's centered on the, not centered, but on the right, aligned on the right hand side. So for my shaker dashboard, what I did was I grabbed a previous A6 dashboard from my planner, and then I put it underneath my laminating pouch so that I can spread out the sequins and see where I need to contain the sequins for my dashboard. And I'm just flattening them out so that they're not piled on top of each other, so that when I run it through the laminator, it could be as flat as possible. So I'm just going to run that through, and then I'm going to trim everything down. And then after I trim it down, I like to run it through the laminator again, just to really give it a good seal. So that is how I make my dashboards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I have links in the description box for how you can sign up for any of the Planner Society kits. Thanks so much for watching.